Now we're live. Alrighty. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So let's now that we're up and at 'em, hopefully everybody's got the link here. I'll share it on Twitter real quick. There we go. Ethereum dumping so hard post merge. I could have told you that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the thing. We're gonna go over a couple of headlines here as we prepare for our trading day. So a couple things. Um, Wall Street futures fell and the dollar held firm as investors worried that another massive interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve could tip the U.S. economy into a recession. Shares of European and Asia also slipped on rate hike concerns, and commodities oil slipped, pressured by expectations of a weaker global demand, and gold prices dipped. Bitcoin, meanwhile, dropped below the $19,000 mark as investors globally turned shy on risky investments. Couple things here. Fed prepares to update racing odds as inflation bucks the reins. After chasing inflation for more than better part of a year, we'll look ahead as far as 2025 and new projections this week that will show more fully in depth the length of the economic pain its policymakers expect needed to stop the current surge in prices. Coffee. A couple things here. Tesla completes production capacity expansion at Shanghai plant. Instacart plans to focus on selling employee shares in IPO. Listen, I'm an avid Instacart user, and I know a lot of people. I think that is.
Bird engaged by established taxi enterprise in China.
I think that it might end up being. All right, dude, you're gonna shut that mouth. So I'm sorry. Well, let me move that down. There we go. Oh my God, that's hilarious. um, Instacart though, man, I have a feeling about this IPO. And I'm not sure. Are they on yet? When is that IPO? It's not on yet. Yeah, when is the? I'll have to find out when that IPO is, but I definitely want to keep an eye on that one. That isn't interesting. I'm not buying it as an investment, for sure, but it definitely could be an interesting trade, and then definitely something I would be eyeballing in the future as an investment. So other than that, U.S. big bank CEOs grilled by Congress and consumer social issues. Fed for we already talked about that one. Alphabet, Meta, and Twitter. U.S. appeals court on Friday upheld a Texas law that bars large social media companies from banning or censoring users based on viewpoint. Amazon canceled has suspended the construction of a new warehouse in Spain, as it waits to see as a pandemic-driven online shopping has slowed down. Interesting. All right, that's about it. Okay, so just to recap here, as you guys know, we've got interesting week ahead of us. All right, Monday, 19th. We've got the which I believe comes out at 10 o'clock. Housing market index. And then we've got tomorrow building permits, housing starts. Wednesday, FOMC starts, and then we have the FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, federal funds rate, and FOMC press conference. And finishing the week, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. Thursday, we've got the unemployment claims as well. So that's pretty much the week ahead of us. Now, taking a look at the watch list this morning. So again, we'll start with SPY here, which I have charted, set up pretty well. We've got a nice box, right? We've got a nice 50% mark here. I do have the Tesla chart up in the Discord, so you guys can go take a look at that. But we do, and we're having trouble closing a candle above that 384.54. So that's going to be the goal here, is to close a candle above that, where I would more than likely see either depending on the price action, just simply a 388, or possibly even a little higher depending on the trajectory in which we head. If we head down, which of course could happen after a quick gap fill. If we head down, I don't see it too much farther than 379 and 380 before possibly seeing a bounce. What was this? Hello? What's up, my boy? Hello. Um, so Tesla, all right, listen close. Um, I hate this. No, I was kidding. So right now we've gapped down. Look at it. Look at it. You guys see it? Rejections here. That's 306.85. The median. See where we rejected right there. See how all that pushback right here? That's right at that 304.50, right? Where's the floor? The floor is 301.50. We're underneath it. We're on trend, right? So here's the deal. Anywhere below 398, even candle close, hourly time frame, I would say past the 395 mark, we should see Tesla back down here. So if you're in the upside, right, you need to know where things reverse, where things need to be hedged, things need to be cut. That's the downside. Now, I do like a good gap down. The gap down to support offers a decent setup and would possibly offer the potential for that quick pop at the bell to roll over those shorts. And looking at a push above 304.11 to add to the position. I am in calls right now on Tesla very lightly. And more than likely, again, this would be my stop right here, 398 candle close. And then more than likely, again, the target at that point could end up being, we do have a 200-day moving average here at 294. That's that floor right here. But I would suspect that with enough selling pressure, we should see at least a wick down to 291.14. Weekly contracts can't handle the entire trip down, more than likely. So if you're looking for an extended move here, day trading, then next week's contracts are your friend. Meta, which we have been talking about here. If you're holding puts, I took profit on those Meta puts last week after it hit my first target, which is 145. That's where we're holding this morning. This one has a falling wedge, which most of the time, we're going to see a 50% retracement, right? So that depends. Do we go make a new low? The new low would be at 142.80 right underneath 143. And then I would be able to, so this is the beneficial thing. And this is what I do, guys. This is as far as where my entries and my exits are. The floor becomes your ceiling for a reason, right? So if I drop here and bounce and buy an entry off of that bounce, the second and the first target, but the second add would come above that and truth be told, I would like to see it above pre-market highs. 145.47, gap fill here, and then right up into that 50% mark at 149.50. So if you are in BABA, okay, because I know that a lot of people took BABA, listen, you should probably, and I'm going to just tell you right now, I'm holding, but I will also play. You don't even have to ask me. I'll probably just pop over as soon as the alert goes off. If it does make it above $86, $95 calls if you're trying to go out of the money, maybe a $90 call with a tight stop loss, but look for a retest of around $88. You make it any higher than that, go to regular hours, and you've got a gap here to 88.50. You also have a gap all the way up here to $94. So even a 50% move to 92.70 is possible on a squeeze for BABA. Oh shit! By the way, Take Two Interactive had a leak. A hacker released gameplay from the company's new Grand Theft Auto, one of the biggest leaks in gaming history. The hacker also posted a message seeking to negotiate a deal. Wow, that's funny. They're like blackmailing them. It's funny. Wow. Oh my god. All right. So anyway, that is the setups for the day. That's going to what I'm going to be watching today. Here's what's going to keep me in. I'm probably gonna, if we see good volume, and maybe a little bit of a window with no data for to today and tomorrow, then perhaps that's going to be beneficial for us. Meta, or excuse me, Baba's moving down. Are we getting a move down here in pre-market? No, not quite yet. But here's the deal. Range trading um, is not gonna be my thing today. So we do not have the price action. If the market is showing a lot of fake outs, if I take 2 or 3 trades and get stopped out, that's it. We call it a day. We come back tomorrow and we try and execute at the highest level possible. So again, 50% retracement on Meta. This one does need a retest, but again, we would need some juice to do so. So things that would obviously keep me in is good volume, solid price action with a little bit of reprieve for the statements in the FOMC, and then low volume here at the bell. If we just end up chopping, I'm probably going to go ahead and log out at around 10:45. 11 o'clock. If there is no pause, I'm not just going to take a trade to take a trade. I'm here to make money. And so this week is definitely one of those weeks where you don't want to get caught holding the bag. And especially if you're playing with weeklies, I get it. If you have a small account, they're cheaper, it's easier. But if once you make that realization that a more expensive contract with a better expiration actually saves you money, it's mind blowing. With that, I'd also like to re-emphasize today. Our Discord is obviously here for you guys to learn and to take that next step forward. But in order to do that, you need to be picking a strategy that already makes sense to you, that already is attractive to you, right? And that's what you should be focused on. I know that I trade a certain way where I take something long and I might trade it underneath, day trade underneath. That took years of practice. So and failing and failing and failing. So if you want to fail at 2 things at once, go for it. But that's just what's required when you're learning anything. Is that you're probably going to have some failure. So pick one area to fail in and learn in and grow in. Reduce your risk and focus on execution of your strategy, contract selection. Et cetera, et cetera. Stop losses, charting relevance. What time frame am I watching? So, but anyway, guys, that's it from me. Manny, if you got anything to add, do it.
Yeah.
He said, "Well, fail at 2 things at once, just at me."
Bro, today looks just like the only trade they're good at the open. We're gonna get gap fills and then we're gonna chop.
Don't say it. I think.
Well, that's my take on today. Honestly, like
You know what?
that's what
Ellie
I
said
think.
it too. Ellie literally said she didn't say gap fill, but she meant it. But she said up and down chop. So,
So, you ever seen Netflix? I thought got a nice gap. All the ash is like punching the wall over that gap.
dude. Oh my God, it did end up going back up. Yo, it faked out shorts so bad to squeeze them.
Right,
I'm
yeah,
actually,
yeah. With the layout, that's when people start accumulating. So the tape is pretty like it's a movie. And I don't want to call it bullish yet. I'm not gonna call it bullish. So we give a daily close above 250. But just leading into today, I like it for a bounce. This is one of our main watch lists. The next one is Tesla's gap fill. I think Netflix will give someone decent trade. The only thing on Netflix, which I have always disliked, even when Netflix was trading at 600, it was the same bullshit. When Netflix, like the contracts, they have such a stupid spread that if you buy 10 contracts, like you're gonna, you have like a $20, $30 spread. It's like a $300 spread basically. You buy 20, it's 600. So that's the only stupid annoying thing on Netflix. You can't just exit out with a limit like hockey. It's best for you to just put a limit sell, like play with the spread, right? So if you know that you're up right now and you're up 40, $40 on your contract, right? You bought at 300, right? And then the ask is now at 340. You know that if that shit ticks again, the ask is gonna probably move up 340. Sorry, $40 more. So what I would normally do is I'll put a limit order at like 380, and I'll just watch that shit get filled, and I'll have the biggest smile on my face when this guy from the broker goes order filled, because like it's nice to exit like that, man. That's one of my favorite ways. Who the fuck is my friend doing? That's one of my favorite. Oh, Gary, Instacart is an IPO.
Dude, I was just amped up about that. I actually, for once, which means it's gonna fucking dump. But no, just kidding. I actually, yeah, yeah, straight up. But whenever it stops, yeah, dude, I actually like Netflix a lot. There's a lot of strength in that gap. There's a lot of volume actually in pre-market here. That
Which is rare for Netflix.
Right now, yeah. I was gonna say this morning it had let's see, hold on one second. There was like a power bar right there. It was like 52,000 shares, which is a little bit above average, but that big push, I actually saw the news came out. It whipped down because it actually has a bearish setup, dude, and it broke that setup. It was actually pretty cool to watch. Look, I'll show you. It faked out these bears so hard. It was disturbing. Look at this. Can you press the buttons? Those buttons have the money in them.
I can be
No,
honest.
no buttons right now.
I felt the same. There
But
was
we're
a
not going to
period
press any
that
buttons
I
right now.
wanted to take back, money on a firm, money on all these stupid little tickers that I traded that didn't really give me anything, and they took from me rather than give. If I can be honest, I made all that money back because those tickers I had emotional attachment to them.
He
Right?
loved them.
So I
He
would
loved them.
literally realize that I was trying to revenge trade them without even realizing it. So personally, if you guys like trading, let's say Apple, and you're good at trading Apple, struggle with diverging from Apple and trading, Netflix, for example, because there's no problem. Like look, it comes down to forex and futures, the same thing. A lot of people say, oh, you shouldn't just trade one, you shouldn't trade one pair, you shouldn't just trade one future, one future, like ES and Q, or just one of them alone. And if I can be honest, when you learn how something trades and how something moves, how price action moves in that specific symbol, this gives you a huge advantage, right? Like Tesla, I'm not going to allow Tesla to break out. I'm going to wait for it to break and hold. And I learned that because I would get faked out every fucking time by Tesla. So it's the little things that have made me a better trader of stock. Garrett knows how to trade the stock already, possibly better than me. He tied it with his system. He sees things that make him confirm the trade, right? That's all that it is. Why is Garrett so good at calling that? He's been calling these things all the way down. You get me? It's what he sees. He knows the narrative of that specific book. That even when they write a new chapter, he already knows how that chapter is going to go. That makes sense.
Ellie, do you want to tell everybody what you think the market's going to do today? So,
Go up and down.
nice. She says chop.
No, I think they top.
Well,
And the thing up and down.
okay, it's not chop, up and down. So wide oscillations.
Top.
So you're talking about like fake outs, like V-shaped fake outs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Like-
what's the name with you?
You're making my back is, I threw my back out, baby. Here, sit right here. Oh, daddy's back is hurt. Can you come closer? Yes.
Can I go inside?
Under the desk? Okay, I guess.
Wow.
No, don't spin around and around under my desk. We're gonna lose everything. Huh? That was pretty cool. Hold on one second.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, it's little tiny
Come here.
thing.
you okay? It's okay. Hold on, guys.
That 510 cloud on Netflix is creeping up to 243.50 and 242. So, obviously that's gonna be the range for that first bounce. Here's the thing, Netflix can literally open and just rip. It cannot even move down. I have seen.
If it goes though, you know what? The levels are good enough where I would take it to 251.80
Yeah.
straight up.
Yeah.
I would just take it. I would take. There's one mark where I would add, and that's 249.50. Maybe 250, obviously, because you're gonna get whacked right there. Oh, excuse me. I would say right now, I'm more invested in Tesla right now, which has kind of a really boo-boo setup here in pre-market. Looks like it's got a what the dude, trading view? I'm over it. What do you got? I'm over it, dude. This is whack. What is this? Like this is not the chart. I've never done this before in my life. Like what is this? Hold on, what?
It's funny, bro. Like, what?
You know, they were super interactive at first, and now they're super pissing me off.
They were good when we had a retail value with no.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Yeah.
speaking of shit.
They're
There was a lady on Bloomberg this morning that honestly I almost like spilled my coffee. The lady said the Fed literally, I feel like she was about to say the word, she just didn't, but she basically said the Fed does not give a flying fuck about the stock market. It will put the economy like first
ground.
before it ever puts the stock market.
Even though
So
yeah, he doesn't care about the stock market now because he got to buy the bottom and then literally inflate it with the money that he was printing, and then say that it was immoral. They were like, it's that they were like, this isn't right. We're making so much money. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, wait till Congress gets out of the stock market. We hate the insider trading, but man, if they can't make money in there, liquidity dies. Yeah. Nice $130,000 salary there, buddy. And you just riding, pulling up in a Bentley with Leonardo DiCaprio and his new 21-year-old girlfriend. You know, they charted that? Yeah, they charted it. They actually charted, there's a chart on Leonardo DiCaprio's like women like taste. He like doesn't date anybody over 25, and they charted it. It's math now. Yeah, it's math. That dude's wild. So right now, I think crowd's up against what one could perceive as a. Oh shit! Hold on a second. The book fair is today. Oh shit. Um. Yeah, I would say you're near or up a downtrend. Starting from your lows, right? That's been broken, and you retested it. So it is certainly possible with all of this overhead, and being that you are at the floor, right? So you're here. That you could make for a break, right? So tight consolidation could require one more pop up to 188.27. You got a lot of EMAs above you, so you're gonna have 178.16, 184.75. That's a lot of juice right there. 190. So crowd coming off of earnings should have some momentum here, but the first leg down that I would be looking at is 158, 160 to the downside. If it does bounce, obviously pivot point would probably mark that potential that would verify that we're gonna bounce. So, but yeah.
coming into the open. Sorry.
No, you're okay. Go ahead, take it away. I'll be right back.
Coming into the open, we have to take a look at everything and see how everything is. So let's talk Netflix. So I'm going to trade Netflix as a tech-based company. I'm going to obviously be looking at the Q and the Nasdaq and see how they're going to open, right? So when you look at NQ, it's sort of like a better setup than ES has. ES has like a little bear flag. If you look at it on the 15 minutes, while the Nasdaq has the same setup, but it has more bullish pressure, right? So if I'm gonna be looking at Netflix today, my main focus is to watch the Qs go for a gap fill. If they don't try to go for a gap fill and they just start washing out, I am not gonna take Netflix long off the bottom. I need everything to sync. The news that Netflix has a upgrade or downgrade. So for those that have not I see upgrades as the reason why is because when a company upgrades another company, so this is totally legal. I can have X, Y, and Z funds, and I can say we think that Tesla is trading at a way too cheaper price. We think Tesla should trade at 400. Meanwhile, Tesla's trading at 200. Just because to go for the gap fill to give me more confirmations, especially to take sides from that trade. I thought I was done about like 500 and just really hard. What do you mean, bro? Huh? I gotta look up America with you. I'm too young for that movie, bro. I'm only like 15, man. It's joking. Yeah, actually turning 24 next week. I remember when I could do it for once and I get sent to jail sometimes. How to do it again? Yes, I have. I spent a good portion of I think I was like 16 or 17. Like binge the whole show. I did not feel great after, but okay. It's a very mentally exhausting show.
Yeah, I can't.
What happened, sir?
This
One puts
one puts
in the head. I'd be doing that shit. I'd be like, you want to put?
what? Everybody gets a put. You get a put. Got too much going on right there.
So we're going to Horror Nights on Thursday or what?
Bruh, listen, I don't do anything scary. Okay. Life is scary enough. Right?
Man,
You want to know who was terrifying, baby? You want me to say it? Yes, baby. Oh, okay. Oh man. Ellie is oh nice. Netflix is pulling back to that 244
Yeah.
right there. That's good. 244.50.
This is the cloud we need about. It's opening Momo, or there's opening momentum.
Right now, guys, just focused on Tesla. So I am obviously got my eyes peeled on Meta here. If I see the move, and we'll do the thing. But if you are anybody still holding puts on that, then by all means, take profit if you wish. So ES is moving up a little bit, Manny.
No, it's moving down.
Wait, what?
Look at the 15. You have delayed data.
No, I don't.
What happened? That's trying to break right before the open. I hope this is a giant liquidity trap.
Could be. There's also. Oh, never mind. My bad. I had the wrong thing up. Someone just slammed the ass on Meta hard.
I just slammed the Netflix, bro.
Holy shit, Meta. $297.98. It's just starting to push down. Netflix is giving me relative strength alerts right now. Meta is screaming up for that gap fill first, but I'm not taking that fight yet. I was actually looking at it somehow in regular hours. Oh, that's even possible.
Very slow tape at the open on Netflix. Not the amount of liquidity I expected.
Dude, Meta is showing some real juice right now for that gap fill. If anybody took that gap fill scalp there. $297.75. Meta is making a break for Friday's pre-market highs, 146.81. There it is. Holy shit.
Teams are rising. Teams are breaking their ACRs, but Netflix is still like sort of getting held.
I think I'm gonna take.
Um,
Hold on 1 second.
let's see if Netflix.
Damn it! I missed the bounce right there. I'm taking Tesla here.
That was a nice move on Tesla, dude. Super
I
nice move.
literally was staring at that, waiting for that bounce right there. All right, we're up against getting close to pre-market highs. Looking at September 23rd. I think I'm gonna hit the 305 here.
Watching the 305s too.
Yeah.
On Netflix, nice.
Oh shit! I'm watching Tesla. I'm gonna take it now.
No, you're good. I'm just waiting to see what the fuck Netflix is gonna do. Is it gonna bounce or is it gonna sell out? Shut up. CNBC.
Shit.
Patience, guys.
Shit. Motherfucking asshole. Come on, broker. Stop. Bruh. Okay, thank you. Oh no, I didn't get filled still. Damn it. Can I please just one fill, sir? All right. Just in light right now. Right now. 3 contracts. Oh, I only got part. Dude, what is going on? Bruh. I am not getting fill. There we go. I just got terrible fill. Terrible fill. Absolutely horrendous fill. The worst. Oh well, let's see if we go. We're at pre-market, get close to pre-market highs here. Pre-market highs 302. Gap fills right here at 303. Stop loss for me right now is probably going to be right. I'm in weeklies, guys. I'm in 3. Yeah, Netflix is hitting the floor here. It should bounce. You might see a bounce here or at 295. There it is on Netflix, or excuse me, Tesla. All right, gap fill right here. Gap fill is 303.85. That should break us up and out of this little dumb thing that we got. Nice bounce on Netflix, dude. Let's see.
No, not yet. The thing that keeps getting sold into at 245.
I'm watching the. I'm watching the.
I'm going to rate this 242, man.
Right, we got 10
Like,
minutes.
whoa.
We got 10 minutes to boogie. We need a boogie. Ellie, okay, baby? Dude, Ellie's sick. She's like fighting off a sickness right now.
At least strong. Show Pete sickness ass.
Yeah, no. No problem. What do we got? QQQ. It's trying to go. QQQ just filled its gap, or it's trying to go fill its gap right here.
New winner for Netflix.
Uh-oh. Selling pressure is trying to kind of pick up right here.
On Netflix. Retest prior day's highs. If you hold that shit, I will put size.
We need to bounce off 301 on Tesla. But we're Gucci, baby. Good entry, you guys. You guys should be up. You guys should have got a better fill than I did. I hope. Everybody got a better fill? There we go. All right, this is resistance right here. Take a deep breath. Yeah, that's beautiful. Whoever's mic is unmuted, make sure you're muted. All right, we're here, guys. We're at the floor. Remember the floor. This is the box. So we have to make a break here. So if you like the gains that you got and you want to trim, or if this was your target in the first place, but if we can break and hold and fill that gap at 304, that should give us a close. We'd like to see a close there, maybe at least 15-minute time frame. But so far, so good. No reason to cut right now. Hold up about a whopping 12%. So you took Meta long. Meta looks okay. Meta's holding that hourly candle. Right. Yeah, good. Guys, this is it. We got to see a break here. So if it pulls back, right, and we consolidate, the level, my stop right now is 301. Candle close underneath it. No, she's coughing pretty bad right now. She's mad at me. Yeah, she's in a room. She's emotional. She doesn't have a reason for why she's mad at me. She's just mad. Maybe because I took Tesla long when she said it was going to chop. We have to go there. Oh, okay, that's fine. Dude, it'd be kind of cool to do like a donation for their book fair. It'd be cool to like give a donation for the book fair. No, what? I said it would be cool.
You know the book fair was? I just want to.
I don't know, baby. So I'd like, yeah, 301.36. I'd like to see a bounce. Otherwise, we could reverse and see a move down. So 15-minute candle, 6 minutes and 44 seconds would be nice. Looks good. We're holding up. She did say chop. There we go, Tesla. There you go, Tesla. Dude, I had the bounce on that thing. I'm so mad.
One thing about Tesla contracts, the 305s have moved like shit.
They'll pick up here. Let it cross over the pre-market highs 304. So you can try it with your finger, but Baba just crossed the Baba. Watch Baba, folks. If you're in Baba puts, kiss your butt goodbye. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take a. I'm gonna buy 2 of the $95 calls per contract. Okay, done for this week. Problem solved. All right, Tesla. I ain't got all day. What's up, Nova? Hey, Ellie. All right, we're lagging here, guys. A little bit on Tesla. There's no reason to cut, right? We're just gonna okay. Shh. Just shut that mouth. Let it do it. Let it do its thing. Primal. That's a hedge for anybody who's in Baba puts. So hope you guys are doing okay right now. If you guys are in, right? What do we want to see? Let's zoom out, pretend like it's after hours. Hourly candle close right here. Of course, my floor has moved because TradingView doesn't care about anything, doesn't care about my life. All right, no, it's good. Okay, so right here, yeah, we got to break up above this floor. We got to hold, and we'd like to go ahead and be at 304. Chop, chop. This week's contracts are holding pretty well, though, so that's nice. But I'd like to see an explosive move. We need to have and actually, now that I look at it, hourly candles obviously whack. First hourly volume on Tesla is okay. I'm going to keep talking shit about it because apparently it likes it. All right, actually, right there at that mark, right there, guys, 304. Just hit it like on the dot. I'm going to trim right here. I'm going to take one off, but I'm going to continue to hold. So good gap fill here. But listen, I think that we have a little bit further to go. So I'm going to continue to hold. If you do not want to hold, if you are happy with your profits, or if you're happy with your profits and you want to leave a runner, this is probably the time to do so. But 15-minute candle, 3 minutes left, looking good. Looking like we're making a good push into that 304 area. Next little leg right here, we should see 304.60. Yeah, I got 306 as a target here to the upside. So nice trades. Contracts moving pretty good. 20% here to the upside. Oh, that's money, guys.
Where's the continuation of yes?
Ooh.
Or Slavic, where's the gap fill?
After a red week last week, man, that's how Tesla feels. It's nice. I don't know where that gift came from. I typed in coolin. That's hilarious. Yeah, it was in Tesla. I feel like everybody's being really quiet right now. Scaring me.
I'm a Tesla.
Oh! Oh my God!
Now is when those contracts are waking up.
See.
As they fall throughout the money.
Yep, yeah, always. That's amazing. All right, guys.
This is not the whole Tesla.
Come on, Tesla. Hold it. Stop it. Sellers are trying to control 304. Why do they want to do this, Manny? Why do they want to do this to me? I'm just a boy.
It's the boy.
22% here on Tesla, though, guys. So, of course, I do see. So, this is how it works with me. I have the emotional fortitude to, if this reversed on me and it went back to my trend, like basically, so right now, I would say that a candle closed below 302. That's it. I close out. I'm done. If we hold right now, I think we're good to go. We got 1 minute and 12 seconds to just close a 15-minute candle here, and I think we're good to go. If we can get sellers to kind of hold back a little bit, or at least hold that 304, we like that. Volume is not the best right now on Tesla. Seems steady. RSI is already showing a little bit of reaction here on the 5. And it also looks like you might get a little bit of split, but this is a tough area, guys. So again, profits can be taken, but I'm gonna continue to hold here to see what type of price actions we're gonna see going forward. So I like 305 as the next target here. If we do end up seeing some sort of reversal, again, I would say a candle close below 302.50 is going to be indicative of sellers taking over on this trade. So, but again, profits. I don't really like.
Of Netflix and Ace very well. They sold that whole thing for a gap close.
Oh my god, yeah, that was horrendous, bro. And you know what? Remember what I was showing you this morning? Remember that screenshot? They yanked it right back into it. They pulled it right back down. So. All right, good 15-minute candle close. That means that we can go and retest the 302.50 area, right? That's the area we just broke. So watch for a pullback here if we don't end up seeing that 305 mark first, right? So 305 is an area where we can trim our contracts. There it is, coming close, 304. We just made a new high. So hopefully we'll push off of that high. There it is. Yeah, that's money, dude. Right there, you guys should be around. If you got a late, stupid, fat entry with me, then you should have about around a dumb $160 per contract. 27% here. If you guys had a better entry than me, you're rich. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I would say this is a great place to trim. Absolutely. Phenomenal. Small accounts, yeah, why not? If you have one contract, here's the question you got to ask yourself: can you deal with it reversing and you making less money, right? That's what you need to. If it's at a high, right, and it's now crushed multiple targets. Do I have Tesla potentially going up to 312? Yes, but I'm probably going to go ahead and take, because these are weekly contracts, right, and they're not next week. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit off the table right now, and on the pullback, which I am expecting here off of 305, I'll go ahead and re-enter, and I can use next week's contracts and hold through the flag. So 30% TP, great job, guys. Absolutely, and those contracts are moving really well. So we're gonna hold on to just a few of these here. So I'm gonna stand by and try and narrate this right now. But remember, we're not just trading Tesla. Make sure you guys are keeping your eyes peeled on ES or SPY. So let's take a peek and see what SPY's got going on right now. As we suspected. Sorry. Do that again.
I just wanted to mark it too.
Call.
I can literally say-
Damn, dude, the book, they know how to get the money now. Yeah, wow, you have
literally
to.
says Ayo wants to spend money at the book fair.
I'm sure he does. Wow. Oh God, what Ellie's gonna do at the book fair? So we're at that pivot point, guys. Meta dumped. It's holding. It's going for a retest, Rod. He'll maybe a 146.14. There's Tesla right there, guys. So remember what I said, pullback. I'm holding. To the hell with that trash. All right, so right now, SPY still got a nice gap to the upside. Where are we? We're at the median. We're at the median right now with the confluence, the downtrend coming here from up here, right? Which looks like it gave us a little bit of a fake out there. But regardless, that's where we're at right now. Let's get a candle close above 385. All right, it's all right, Thomas. Hey, shake it off. Take a deep breath. It's all good, dude. That's one 15-minute candlestick. There's going to be a ton more of them. So let's continue to watch. Stay focused. We know we know where we're at on the chart, right? So that's not a concern. We know where we're at. We know where we need to hold. We know where we could go pull back to and still stay bullish, right? So we're going to pay attention to those levels. We can go look back and see where did it, right? And it does tend to hit this level and dump. Okay, so I'm not gonna pretend like it doesn't, but it does. So depending on how this price action develops, right? Right now we've got 11 minutes in this 15-minute candle. We've got a 5-minute doji here with 1 minute left, right? This could just, now I really don't like a big wick right there. I'd like probably me and a Manny's. Maybe Manny could give us an opinion on that right there, but it looks like sellers want to control that exact same price that I talked about, and that's 304. So if you guys took profit on those weekly contracts with me, that's good stuff. That's good money right there, right? So we can go ahead and wait if you have runners. No need to panic. No need to stress, right? We know exactly where we're going to cut these contracts. And if we don't make the money that we hoped that we would make, then that's our fault for trying to trade on hope, right? We got to continue to trade what's right directly in front of us. Operation Robot. So just do what you got to do. Right now, the contracts actually are holding up surprisingly well. Also, Meta bounced. What? Huh? I'm not getting her. No. Maybe it made it sound like you were talking about drugs or something. Yeah, no big deal, guys. It is 9:50, right? One play is not gonna, save the day. So just yeah, just be ready. Sniper. Gotta sit and wait. Be patient. Huh? Oh, I'm talking to all these people who are just watching me creeping. I was kidding. Quick $500 this morning. News job. Wow, what language am I changing over to? News job, my friends. Sounds kind of Dutch. All right, hold on one second. I'm gonna step back. Netflix. Oh, dude, I can't tell you. We got 9 minutes and 10 seconds, right? I do not like how bad the 9-day moving average is lagging behind us. I do like that the 306 is still above us. If you push these sellers out, right, I would say 50% of that, 305.13. Watch for a little rejection there. If you can push those sellers out, we're cooking with Crisco. But right now we look good. We got a great 15-minute candle above us, right? No need to panic. But I have to go to the restroom right now. Like, I gotta go. Hold on. I am still in a position, so alert set, right? Phone's coming with me. You should be green, Robert, by the way, right? Did you recoup?
Oh yeah, I'm green.
Okay.
That one green I sold it.
Oh
And
yeah.
I also sold my weeklies. I got one runner for next week, but
Cool. Take a peek right here, guys. Look at the little regular hours downtrend there. We've got a 15-minute candle close below us. I think we're good. All right, hold on one second. Perfect. Good push, Tesla. Okay, good push, Tesla. ES is climbing. Hey, Rod. Let me know if you're hitting up Meta, man. I got you, dude. I can't trade this one because I'm moving into Tesla right now. But actually, you know what? What the fuck am I talking about? I might slap a 150 for next week, dude. This thing looks sweet. That's a little bit late. I wish we would have got that retail. Are you back on it? Yeah, that bounce was ridiculous. That was off of the pre-market highs from before. Okay, so no new high on Tesla, right? That means buyers are having a hard time. So sellers, right, are in control here. They're going to bring it back down to 304. If buyers are really trying them, then they're going to push them up right here past this wick. And then at that point, I would suspect that either we get climb above 306 or we reject 306. So if you have a runner, anybody still in? Anybody still in? Yeah, I could see that retest there. Anybody still in Tesla with me? What? My address? Oh, my address is no, I'm just kidding. Sold for 30%. All right, still got a little bit of juice right here. We're just gonna sit and hold, be patient, guys. Practice right now is when you learn. You're in the funk right now. This is when you find patience. Don't sweat. Take a deep breath. There's no reason to sweat. You know where things will reverse. Yes, baby.
Yep, what do you call it? What we called this morning was fun,
Yeah, absolutely.
which was like the gap fills. I mean, dude, like if you look at anything, Spy's gap fill, I finished it at the end. Hughes is finishing its gap fill as well. Netflix gap filled all the way down, literally all the way down. Amazon actually has a bigger gap.
So we
The daily, it's fitting right now.
So we got a candle close right there, folks, right? So to retest this level, if we lose 303.80, right, then we're probably going to pull back. Don't worry about the money, guys. Don't worry about the money. Worry about executing. The money comes with execution, not the other way around. Thoughts on Apple? It's a great company. I was kidding. Sorry. All right, let's go take a look. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's go, Tesla. Tessie. Messi. I don't like that, but Apple could end up having a bear flag here. It does look like it's up against resistance, right? This is where we could fall. We break or we fall. We got a gap fill here on Apple to the upside. Does kind of put off bear flag energy a little bit here. I think if you can get the gap fill here, you got another gap up to 150, 190. Tesla, new high of day, 32%. Never mind. That's over. It's gone now. Meta right now, if I was to enter Meta, stop loss would be candle close below 146.67. Next week's contract, probably the 150 strike. That's it. And then ultimately, that's a tight stop on that. You could go 2 weeks out and move that stop down just a hair for a retest of pre-market highs, which would be 145.75. So we're still in the danger zone, guys. We're not out of the woods right now, and we're getting stacked up here. So if I don't know.
Looks like it's coming up.
You know what? Hold on. I'm starting to see a little bit of weakness here on Tessie. Yeah, Tessie's starting to show a little bit of up. It's gonna be tough to pull off here, but you got a nice power candle right there. Hourly looks pretty good. ES.
On ES.
I'm watching. It did break, or it's up against if you go from the downtrend. Yeah, if you go to the downtrend starting at September 15th, you'll see it's got like a bit of a wedge. It just needs to break and hold above 38, 88, 85. So
So I did something that I withdrew some profits from my KLT account in Bitcoin, but I did it right before we gap filled. It's over my withdrawal.
no,
Yeah, dude.
that's terrible, dude. All right, so buyers right now on the lower time frame, look at this. This is the 1 minute. They're holding 304.75. That's buyers. Sellers are pushing right here. Do you guys see that little bit? Let's zoom in and learn a little bit. So let's watch this price action. First candle that opens above 305.50, 305.45. That candle takes you to a new high. The first candle that opens below this current hold right here, this point of control, that's going to bring you probably back down to 303.72, and possibly because 1, 2, 3, we could see that final retest 303 and 302.95. So guys, if you haven't done it already, you got to go to choose roll and click on one of the emojis, and that way you can see the admin that you're looking for's setup or page area. All right, so let's watch there. It looks like we can use Apple as a sign here. I'd like to see Apple go ahead and prove its way up to the 150, 130 level. So see a candle close above 305.50. I think sellers are going to probably end up pushing back here, guys. Sellers do not want to give up this level right now. Yeah, this is a bit of a stronghold. 305.50 psychological number. So better to consolidate here. Stack up some shorts. Maybe make a new high today. So we just saw. What's up?
Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
No, I was gonna say, like, from watching Tesla trade this morning and watching the contracts, Tesla is not. This is not like trading how we used to. Those contracts, dude, by that move should have been up like $300, and they were up by the first initial gap fill, like maybe $80, 100.
They're holding
That's
now,
how
though.
it sucks, you know. Like you can't just go and take 5, 15, 30 contracts and make what you used to make on it because of the volatility. And now you just gotta fucking take it.
It still moves well. It moves like old school Nvidia.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I want $900 Tesla.
Yeah.
You guys said that short with Stepper 15% here. He had a really nice entry. You guys followed him. Everything is getting sold into after 10 a.m. It's just how it is. I wish I would have shorted ES here.
Yeah, 10 a.m. reversal right there, guys. So if you have your runners on Tesla, right now it's not over yet. There's no reason, but it does look like it might give us that pullback, like we were talking about, and it's probably going to happen right here, below this 303.72. Watch for a pullback right here, 302.85, 302.60. So if you have any runners, that's where they're probably going to end up getting chopped. ES is pulling back right now. I've got ES 38.71 and 38.68.50. Oh my god, my back hurts. I threw my
I
back.
had a note on trading view like for Tesla. You got a note like of the stock or whatever. I had money printer. I took it off already because I lost that title a long time ago.
Ouch.
Yo, I can never win, dude. Like when my nose is not stuffy, my ears are clogged. When my ears are not clogged, my nose is stuffy. I can't win.
Hmm.
I can't win.
Think maybe a cigar smoke, maybe? I don't know.
Dude, I have not smoked a cigar honestly in months because I had that throat infection. I have a bunch there.
Today is a good day. Nice. Why can't we hear Manny? Because he's exclusive.
Pepper is out of spy at 20%. He's out of spy running.
So right now, let's go to the 15 on SPY. You did engulf that bar. Yeah, I would say that if we're gonna retest, it would be 38.68.50. Everything's still holding up. No reversal signs quite yet. Hola, soy Dora. I still have a runner on Tesla. How about them apples? Yeah, 30260. That's damn Ellie. Ellie sounds like she's been smoking a pack a day.
Feels better.
That's such a stupid bounce off support, man. I mean, definitely an area in which Tesla could give us some shit, but I really love this trade right now. Meta looks great. Or excuse me, Tesla looks great. I don't know what Meta looks like. Meta looks like shit. I mean, it's building up and candle, but buyers are trying to control 46.65. So I did take Baba calls. I just took them as a hedge. I have puts. So where do I know where to add? Same. So like right now we would go and look for a bounce, right? So right now sellers are pushing below Tesla's 303.75, like we said. So there's a couple different levels that we could watch for a bounce. We've got 302.88, and then we've got that 302.75, right? So those two areas. Now it could end up being, and I should probably move that up, clean this up a little bit here. That way we're not inaccurate on our yeah, so right here. So I could either if we fall below this floor, which we just recovered, that would be my add, right? So if we fall below it, bounce and reclaim it, then I add there and that becomes my new stop, right? So that would be one, and then you could go with high of day and then stretch your arms out to 307.75, right? But I do have possibly right now, based on the setup, and we got a lot to get through here. We've got the 305.50 area, which is already tough. And then we've got 307, right? That's going to be above us. But right now we're okay. We're nothing's wrong. We see a little red candle. If you guys are looking at your contracts, you're having a heart attack, but don't. Is that an indicator with those levels? Yeah, that's my pivot points, which I should probably turn off right now. Yeah.
ES is holding its 5-day on the 15th.
306.17. Go ahead and mark that. Okay, I see why that's there. It's 306.12 as well. Meta still building. ES. Nice wick. Uh-oh. 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 So you could add maybe above 304.75. But I don't like that. Tesla's looking kind of duty. Just looks doo-doo on the lower time frames right now.
Bro, it is so annoying, dude. So like in the house in front, my neighbors, they drink a lot of Heineken, a lot. And when these guys, like, you hear the trash pick up the trash to throw it away, you hear it's clink, 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 clink. It's fucking crazy. It's part of the reason why I have a keg. And the trash would come on Monday and Thursday, fucking clink, 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 clink. Damn, an alcoholic lives there. Did they just try to bounce ES and then reverse it? God, why are these people so mean, bro? People make a living out of this, man. Stop being mean to them and dumping everything on them and shit.
They make a living off of taking money, so someone's got to live. Spy completely reverses, I think, our ES at 38.68. But right now we're holding still 5 minute. That 5 minute red candle there looks like shit though. Not gonna lie. But remember, look at Tesla. Look at that. The only thing that I think that we're oh my god, dude, the volume on Tesla today is. Hi, baby.
I love this.
You're not sick. Are you healed?
Mommy,
Oh, so you got medicine now?
I want some quizzes, but
Is there any way that you could come back from that choppy prediction?
yeah.
Can we go up? Can we have a burger?
Dora,
That is Dora.
I would.
Hola, soy Dora.
That a movie.
A movie?
Yeah, that is a movie. It's healing them. Yeah, a movie. That
How do I determine which time frame to look for candles closed? You could go find that. You could go find that on any time frame. It depends on what I'm doing. If I'm scalping, then probably 3 to 5 minutes. If I'm day trading, then hey Ellie, when you touch that button, you get really close to the hotkeys that say buy 10. And right now I've got that's all right. Go ahead, press that button. See if you go to college. I use
And then beat it me of this gift, Garrett. This is what happens to Ellie's college. She presses the button.
Ellie. No, baby. Oh no. Oh, we're filled into 5. Oh, we just got. Oh no, we got 310 calls on Tesla. I mean, nice bounce play, baby, but damn. Hold on.
Those are also trading stuff, though.
Trading what?
Like,
Let's-
dude, I'm telling you from my observation, like the how Tesla pays now is just.
It's still good, dude. You're up like on like a little move, like $130-$150 per contract. Like that's nice. I know it doesn't trade the same, but be quiet. What are you talking about? You just bought you just bought like
Just wasted your college tuition.
yeah, you just bought like $2,000 worth of calls. Okay, so you can calm down right now.
You're in a bear market.
but
Did you could do what? That is not no, that's the sell. All right, you already got me into this, so I'm gonna hold.
no, I want to make it down.
You want to make a sound? No sounds right now, baby. We gotta make that go up. All right. She already wants to sell. Yeah, Ellie's a panic seller.
Get go up.
You will make it go up.
Yeah.
You were gonna make Tesla go up.
I will do it with my finger.
With your finger.
Yeah.
All right, can you do it quickly? Because I'm losing money.
Yo, dude, all of Puerto Rico has been without power for over 24 hours.
It didn't. It's going down. Yeah.
That sucks.
Apple's going up though. I think you touched the wrong screen.
Oh, down.
Nice.
Yeah, how a hurricane hit it.
I think we have a hurricane on the way, don't we?
But
Well, we do, but it's not gonna come this way, Garrett, because I'm leaving on a cruise next week, and the hurricane is going another way. Okay, don't put the evil down
I didn't. Mother Nature said
here.
carnival strikes. Hey Ellie, I know there's a lot of buttons around here, but hey baby, you can't touch the buttons anymore. Okay, you really did. I'm really in a position right now.
oh no.
Right there, Ellie's contemplating her whole lectures.
I got a 360 or 465 fill on those 310s. I got a partial fill. The next one's a 460, but can we do what?
Well, guys.
Fall Guys.
Yeah.
ES is making a new high. All right, Ellie. Okay, Ellie, damn. Ellie's going up. If this goes up, guys, Ellie, we're gonna go get some candy. But if we lose money, you're grounded.
Oh, there's a yes.
I'll ground a 3-year-old. I'm just kidding. Ellie just went from community college to Yale. Good bounce trade, honey. Wow. Was that your first trade? Is that Ellie's first recordable trade?
Oh, look at that! Look
Look
at
at
that!
Ellie. We got filled at 5. We got filled at 460. We're at 590 or 490 right now.
Right. We got ES, dude.
I know.
Nice.
Damn, Ellie. That was a good job. Ah!
Great.
That was a good job. Oh, watch where you're slamming your foot there. Yeah, that's the thank you. All right, we got to make this. I'm gonna sell one of the contracts you bought. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Poopy. Gross.
Poopy. It'll be jumping to your ear.
You want to say something to my ear?
Poopy. I
Alan, Alan, get your cut.
you can't talk it.
I can't talk anymore.
No,
I gotta tell people how to make the money.
no, I will.
Oh, you're gonna tell them how to make the money? All right, go ahead, talk to them. Tell them what to do. Look at the chart.
I got a place but
Nope, that's the same button. Ellie's trying to double down. Hey, baby. No, very serious, okay? No, very serious. We can't touch those buttons right now, okay? Because there's money in them. I don't know how to explain this to you, but there's money in the buttons. Hey, come here. Come here. Look. Please don't. Will you be good? Look. Tesla's going down because you're being bad. Look at it. This one. Let's see. You made it go down.
Oh.
You did. And if you're good, it might go back up. Come on, ES. That was whack.
Hey, man. Be nice to it.
That was whack.
why are you doing that?
I'm out here losing last 3 qualifier. Hero. Their big faces, but can't get past the letter E of the alphabet. Hey, no more. No more. Oh my gosh. What do you want? What do you want, huh?
A banana.
You gonna sing Lion King for everybody?
Oh,
Celine.
I thought that a Harry.
You gotta get a Harry Potter.
No, I thought that a Harry Potter.
Oh, baby, please watch out for that cord, or we're gonna lose money a different way.
You will lose. I thought a Harry Potter.
Why did you say that, Ellie? Anybody still in Tesla? Tesla.
Oh, are you?
Oh, baby, God. Ellie just grabbed my wand and about broke my screen in half, casting a spell.
Guys, he's talking about a Harris one.
Yeah, the
Sorry.
universal one that we bought.
We're getting those mad naughty thoughts. Freaks.
What?
I see what you comment on Garrett's TikToks. I
Oh.
will read them.
I don't know if that's a unique class of people, dude.
Really nice. What terrifies me on social media?
Yeah, it is. That's scary. But I felt much safer, now that my TikTok's gone.
You can't talk anymore.
I can't talk anymore, but I need to.
No.
Ellie, do a spell to make Tesla go up. Give me a spell. Ready? All right, this is pretty intense. She's winding up right now, whispering a spell.
Oh.
All right, she put the wand right on the volume bar. I see. Is it too low volume?
I'm putting my one finger on.
Anybody in Tesla though? Real quick. Just curious.
Tina attack. Are you?
See if you go to crowd.
I'm still in Tesla.
You're still in Tesla? Cool. Yeah, this is. Yeah.
Rod is, I promise you, I think about it all the time. How can I develop my hands better?
20
Biggest diamond hands in the chat.
20 years in the market. That's how. I'm in Tesla.
TP Garrett's wing signal right before the close. You guys have no idea how my hands have slowly developed.
Hey, Ellie, why don't you show me? Why don't you draw today's projections? Draw the chart out. There you go. All right, guys, we're not holding up well. Or we are holding up well, but we're not making that extra effort, and volume has declined drastically. I see the RSI looks like it might want to give us a pullback here. So if you have your runners, this is 1, 2. So there's a possibility we could go and consolidate even further with one more pullback here. This one I would call for because you have yet to make a new high. This one I would call for around 303.38. Oh my god. Yo, I did not pay her to say that. Did you hear what she just said? She just said, Dad. No, I told her to draw the chart for me and where we're gonna go. And she just drew on a piece of paper and said, "We're going to the moon." Straight up, dude. No coach. Yo, Apple did the thing. Look at Apple. That's kind of gross.
Moonburst. Moonburst.
You're still holding up, but this is just not. This is not going to get you. This is not going to move you to the upside.
To a moonburst.
A universe?
No, universe.
Your new purse?
No, I'm going to a universal.
You're going to university?
No, I'm going to universal.
You're going to Universal? Where are you going to get that money from? From this Tesla play?
No, I haven't stopped. You are.
Okay. You want to go to Universal?
Yeah.
Well, how about these 410 contracts that you decided to buy? Or 310 contracts, excuse me.
They got a holiday.
Look at them, Ellie. They're coming. They're going back down. Yep. Yeah. Oh, right. Right now, you're about to. You might be able to get a box outside of Universal on the highway.
A universe.
Alpha, you can only have if you don't pay the subscription fee. You can only have 2. I wonder if that is that broadening? No way. Okay, what did Apple just do? Apple just oh shit, guys, watch out. This might be we could see a complete reversal. We could. ES is starting to stack up, dude. Look at ES. I don't like that. Oh yeah, that's nasty. That is for sure.
Look.
Do these trends count despite not exactly tapping it? It shows that price action respects the levels near it, but a lot of the times, no, they're just going to end up being near or around it. All right, we got to get a bounce here, folks. Oh my God, Ellie. I can't. All right, that's enough. You've drawn through like 10 pages already of my. No more. No more. No more, baby, please. Hey, I know it's really cute because you're going to the moon, but you're a 3-year-old. Can you go now with my notebook that I just said please not to draw in with your pen? I don't even know why I try.
I got you blush. I know
She's a menace.
And then we're going to.
I don't know. There's such a bearish sentiment too. So I mean, to send this push this back up against these shorts. I mean, you need technically the trend is broken. You know, so like it is totally with ES you could totally have just extended yourself a little bit, but I'm not banking on that right now. I'm thinking we're just we just got a simple retest and it might be that chop that we're gonna get, but we'll see. We might just hold range, and Manny called it that gap and chop. So look at the 15 right now, guys. It doesn't really look like much reason to panic quite yet. So. Yeah, so candle close below 303.70 would be indicative of a further downside. But otherwise than that, guys, Ellie's got me kind of in a mess here, but we're cool. We're cool. What does that even mean? Two?
Oh, I know what it means.
What? A reversal or universal? You love universal? That's because everybody was gonna buy you anything you wanted. Manny was behind me trailing with his Amex. If I would have said no, they'd have been like, "We got you." All right, let's see if this is a classic breakout right here for Tesla. We got the short stacked up against us. Let's get the push. I don't like the RSI though. The RSI kind of looks like doo-doo caca right now. Yeah, this is we could get snatched right here. 305 is strong. I remember my class. I remember the moment when my teacher was telling us about Lake Titicaca.
That would. What's that?
That's a real place. It's in like South America, dude.
You know.
Yeah. Hey Siri, where is Lake Titicaca?
Here's Rocky Top.
I'm saying out loud, man.
What? You are drawing all over the notebook that I used to take notes on. It's great. I love it. $70, dude. Ayo's balling at the book fair, dude. Oh Lord. Bro, got my Siri answering. South America runs through the Peru and Bolivia. Are you what? What was that? Oh, I get what you're saying, huh? No, I'm not tripping, dude. It's yeah, right here. I'm not tripping. It's right here. Look. Lake Titicaca in Bolivia and Peru. Oh, that's what you were talking about. Mommy said we're going to Disney. What are you talking about? I spent.
Revenue on that little park is insanity.
Oh my god, dude! I spent so much money on.
Universal, dude. You don't understand Disney. Disney is
Yeah, we were just talking about it. I love. Yeah, well, I just put money on Ao's book fair thing, and then Grandma and Grandpa got the link just like right after that. So nobody knows what anybody else is. So they just, yeah, Ao's getting dumped on right now. Maybe you go buy a book for a girl he likes.
oh yeah.
I say, what's up, lady? You like to read? Notice you here at this book fair. It's not fair that you're not with me, though. Hey. Or one book because of inflation. Tesla! Sorry. All right. Ellie, good job. You might go to college, baby. We're going to trim. I'm gonna trim right here at highs, dude. Just the 310s because that was a complete mistake. What is this song?
I'm going to Daddy. I'm going to Daddy Bird.
Oh, what is this song? Ellie's talking. Manny, Ellie's singing. I'm going to Daddy's Universal. That's how much money I spent there, dude. She thought I owned the place.
That was a good time.
Your butt hurts?
Yeah.
You gotta get a new butt.
That works.
Oh, guys, this is one of the targets. It's 306. This is it. Right here. This is another spot to trim. Because of Ellie's you know, ways. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to equals 310. Don't laugh at people. You're gonna scare them. All right, if you guys still have runners on Tesla, those are $200 on the counter. No. Ellie, hold on, baby. Daddy's in the money. We're in money. Yeah, that was actually a really good bounce trade on Ellie's part. You know, I'm not gonna take that away from her, but
He's always right.
it was pretty impressive. It was. Tesla's moving, dude. Let's go.
Those contracts are still moving like shit.
Hey, stop talking shit about my contracts, Manny.
Contracts are like a 480.
I bought them at 575. They're worth $775, dude. It's fine.
The market opened and it moved. They were $100 wide. Those contracts should be at 100.
Man, you see how greedy? See the greed? See it? I can't. I try. Man, just wants to, and now I'm just gonna lose confidence. I'm gonna actually. By the way, dude, I have this whole. I don't even want to talk about it right now, but I've been charting options, like contracts, like charting the plot. Bro, that shit's actually kind of tweaking. Like that, I was kind of weirded out on how well that it like respected. I don't know, it was weird. Like you can actually out of the last Tesla. Nice job, guys. Yeah, this is a great trade right here, guys. If you're in Tesla, absolutely great trade. I really like to see a push above this 306. Look, if you are in right now, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Right here, 305.31. You close a candle underneath that. Now panic. No, I'm just kidding. Didn't get out. Sellers are trying to hold down 306, but let's see if we can get a pop. So maybe a quick retest, or we're gonna try and scare buyers out. I see a possible channel here. I don't like that.
You know that I can link Trade Station to my Chase account and I can trade off the Chase app.
What?
Yeah.
That's nuts. That's actually cool.
Well, yeah, it's silly. I have my plug shares and my JP Morgan account. Because of doing that, they give me some retard as a financial advisor. It's so stupid, bro. So stupid, bro.
Hey, you guys should this is a great trade on Tesla. Patience, right? I hope you guys like were able to breathe through this, practice patience today. Focus, what was the focus? You know, we focused on where things can't go, not what things look like, you know, because I know a lot of people probably got spooked out on that big red candle, right? But we got to know exactly what needs to happen, right? Because those people doing candlestick analysis on the 5-minute are going to get candlestick on the analysis on the 5-minute type gains. So, what's up? Are you serious? Oh my God, he's at $100.
Oh my god, ew, dude, what's he doing? Is he trading?
Dude, he's gonna start a. We're gonna find out that AO's like has his own book fair, underground book fair, dude. He's buying them out and doubling the price. All right, come on, Tesla, do something cool. Guys, we hit a brick wall right here. This little flag looks like kind of bullshit unless it pops and goes now. So again, if you have profit, remember, you're still going to be in profit at 305.16. So if you pull back underneath that, you're more than likely going to go and hit a support. Be careful here. Let's go to ES. What is ES? ES is looking like a fucking rising wedge. Oh shit, look at that. You know, I'm actually gonna, yeah, I'm gonna trim right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take what is given. I'm gonna trim here now. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Tessie. Good stuff. All right. All right, and by the way, this is a day trade. All right. This is a day trade, right? Why? Because it's taken all day. Pretty much. That's it. Very good, sir. Oh, come on, just one more. Do it for the boys and the girls. Do it. Come on. Go. Everybody's doing it.
Keyboard.
Everybody's doing it.
Deal with small keyboards. Oh, you can use it.
That's what I was talking about, Tesla. 40% on those runners. Yuck. All right. I'm out. I am short Tesla. Chill out, buddy. We're trimming out of contracts. Not. All right, that's it. That's money right there, guys. People are scooping those contracts up. Sorry, that was a terrible sound effect. Yeah, people are scooping those up. Yeah, I'm trying to actually. And do you guys see how inflated those contracts got? Oh my God, that is horrendous. They don't care about anybody's family. You know what? I made that, so we're gonna hold that. We got a good average. All right, well, that is pretty much it. That's almost the entirety of the play right there for me, guys. We still got a little 310 action here. We got a 310 call. And I still have the 305, sorry, which is in the money, by the way. We need a laugh button. Hold on, I think I do, but it just doesn't connect. Hold on. Crowd laughing. No, but I have a really weird one that says mail, oh yeah, and it just goes like says oh yeah in the most weird way. Like it is absolutely the weirdest shit I've ever heard. Oh my gosh. Tesla.
Yeah, that gif is funny. The Lord to the monkey or something.
Oh my God. I love that.
Hey, does anybody know if I can cancel Xfinity or downgrade the plan online, or do I need to call these people? I think call these people.
Hey, I'm gonna take a crack at Meta here. I'm gonna dip out of Tesla. I'm in Tesla right now. I'm gonna go with today's 150s now. I'm gonna go 2 contracts on that one. Actually, you know what? Fuck that. September 30th. Yeah, I'm gonna go September 30th, and I'm gonna buy one, or excuse me, 2 150s here. Those are at 400 calls. Yeah, sorry, September 30th. We're gonna call this one a pretty this one medium risk. There's nothing terrible about this one. The only thing I don't like, so we do have an inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute with a beautiful gap to the upside. I'm gonna trade it up to that gap. We also, right, have a downtrend that we've been working on breaking all morning. ES. Ooh. Ooh, damn. Yeah.
Right, yes. They're the things.
Don't tell me what to do. Yeah, I told my UPS man that one time when he told me to have a good day. I was joking though. I like tried to like. He was like, "Ha, just kidding," but he just didn't really think that was funny. Yo, look at ES right now, Manny. It's got a rising wedge right now. If anybody's in upside positions, I'm right about to enter these medicals. They're at 400 right now. So right now, if futures squeeze up and out, that's gonna be it. I think they'll shake them down. Oh, nice. Okay. Yo, ES just said it's 15-minute 200-day moving average, 38.98. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take 150 call here. Stop loss will be the pivot point 146.43. Add above the wick right here 147.75 into the 148.24. Gap fill here. And supply retest at 149.50. I will hold these, most of them, if you close a candle in, you guessed it, zone, auto zone. Right.
Get in the zone.
How's everybody doing? Can we get a heart check here? A pulse check? Sorry, not a pulse. Anybody who's listening. Anybody who's listening, let me get a thumbs up. Hopefully not a thumbs down. Green, an apple, something.
Is anybody yellow?
Ash, are you serious? Oh my God, hang it up. Hang it up. Still in what? I'm just joking, Ash. Sonny, nice job. Oh, kind of nice turns. You're lucky I don't have one. Ooh. Oh, it's too late. You said it. You're good, bro. That's there with me. Usually makes other people. I did that to Maddie. I used to do that. No, that is not a rising wedge on Tesla. No, absolutely. Yeah, that bottom. If anything, maybe you have a trend off that bottom wick, but no. I'm still seeing some delayed price action here, so it wouldn't surprise me if we saw a pullback. But ES just made a rising wedge on the 5, right? Right, right. Check that out. Look at that thing. But I tell you what, squeezing that could be juicy. You okay, Ellie?
Hannah was here talking to me and she got us responded for Ellie. I was literally like walking away. She's like, yes.
Hey, Tesla players. You guys should be up if you're still holding anything. Those should be your contracts. By the way, if you're in 305s, you're in the money. You got a little bit of protection here. So, damn, what a good day, guys. What a good day. What a solid setup. We covered this in pre-market. I could have hit that bounce entry perfect on Tesla, but that's life. All right, let's see. Let me go check YouTube. How's the pulse check? You guys want me to hit you with an ad? No, I'm just kidding. You can. You press the button right there. You see that button? You tap that. And then look. Do you see? No. Look, you see it says family room?
Yeah.
You tap that one. But make sure you turn it down, okay? Because if it's too loud, Judge gonna get mad. No, just kidding. Let's see here. Look at the TV. Okay. Yeah, be careful here on Tesla, guys. You're approaching on this approach. Ooh, Ellie, I'm gonna trim out some more of your 310 calls. Yep. You just went from dollar store candy to we might have to go to like Whole Foods. Get some candy. They're cheap. Yeah, what, Universal candy? I'm not gonna lie. That was a dumb fire entry by Ellie. That was dumb fire. All right, guys. Next leg up. Meta's lagging. Tesla runners are printing right now. You guys should be absolutely. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Dude, look in Tesla. Shh, don't say its name. Don't say its name. Oh. Damn. All right, 308, and I'm out. Sheesh. All right, guys. Thank you, Ellie. That was actually really fire. Very proud of you. You love sand? Why don't you play with your kinetic sand? Guys, amazing. That's it. I'm done. I'm gonna leave a runner on Tesla. I have to admit that was one of the most fire moments with having my daughter trade with me ever. That was one of the coolest thing that I mean, I really would have preferred if she had never, I don't want her to do that, but just the timing of everything, I'm a proud dad. Yeah, you guys want to see Ellie's entry? Look at this. This is ridiculous. Hold on. Oh my God! Whoa! Tesla. Yeah, she was really. She was really. That's why she was mocking me, basically, saying we're going to Daddy's Universal. Yo, look at Ellie's buy, dude. Look at that. Bro. That's Ellie, dude. My daughter's sick with it. What?
That's a whole ass, like, people won't believe that, bro. People won't believe that, but we all witnessed that shit.
You guys just witnessed Ellie's first trade. What? Ellie hit my hotkeys and entered me into basically like a almost $3 grand position. And then look, that was the buy. It pulled back, kind of got a little sweaty. All my gains were gone from my original trade. And then it bounced right at my stop loss that I had set for it. Oh my God. Can you lend Ellie my hotkeys? Yeah, she's gonna break other shit in your room, so. But I guess it's worth it, dude. Wow, what a play. What a play, guys. Everything is proceeding exactly as I foreseen. That's Ellie going to Universal. That's Ellie. That's Ellie going to Universal. That was fun, dude. You know what the highlight was? It was that pool by the hotel, dude. They loved that play with the. That was so fire, bro, with the beach. What? Does Ellie have a mentorship my 2-year-old can join? Bro, I feel like I could start a gag like Discord for Ellie's mentorship. Whoever does not have themselves muted, I can't talk if I can hear myself. I hate it. I hate the sound of myself. Is it Manny? It is Manny.
Is it me?
Hold on, let me check. Alex? No, it's not Alex.
Is it me? Can you hear yourself?
Yes, I can hear myself.
It's my laptop, man.
Are you on your laptop?
Dude.
God, you're like basically homeless right now.
So the wire is too short. This is me figuring it out, Gary. Please don't try. Please.
All right. So let's talk, guys. We're pretty much out of Tesla. I'm gonna vacate. I'm gonna vacate Meta here, guys. We're in one contract. Underneath the 9-day moving average, moving up the stop loss here because it's lacking the juice, and we just saw the juice from Tesla. But DKG puts. Do I still have Meta puts? No, I TP'd those. I called for a TP. So you just made my phone to react to that. Hey Siri, pull up something naughty.
Okay.
Oh no, not my Siri. You guys the Siri. I hope your wife doesn't find your search history. I'm just kidding. Yo, that cat face. Bro,
Yo, Apple is moving up hard, dude. Seen Apple?
yeah, it's leading, dude. That's why I was watching earlier. That's one of the reasons why I stayed in Tesla. Oh, yeah, I didn't know that. Apple. Yeah, I gotta do the update too. Guys, I still have more juice here for Tesla. So we got a second entry. I don't know what, dude, the corn kid ruined me. But above 309, or really if we can get a better pullback here, I would say a good bounce off of 307. If we could see a reversal back up above 308.88, I do have a target. And it depends because we're at the top of this box, guys. This is a huge target here, but it's not over with. But we could see some further consolidation, which would be good. But this means that we do have targets to the upside. Moving out, so right, we're a little bit zoomed in. Look, this is amazing, amazing. So there's really no reason. And if anybody's in Tesla, right now, still holding. If you guys are on TikTok or on YouTube, if you guys let me know. She gets a toy of her choice today. I'll take Ellie. Go, Ellie. What if you got a toy right now? What would you want?
You told her yesterday you were gonna get
It's
her
not
the
a
Barbie
reminder. Don't
playhouse.
remind her. It's just chilling.
See what she wants, bro. I got the Amex out.
I don't know, bro. That Tesla was actually that Tesla trade was actually um pretty profitable. So I really can't. Yeah. Do you see that?
You
Peyton?
knew exactly what.
Yeah. Look, she bought right there, and it literally just screamed. I sold right at the top. Yeah. I love this cat face. My actually, I gotta go figure out where my cat is. My cat got like bit or something. She has like a giant swollen jaw right now. Rogue. I don't know what happened. She got a bad tooth. Or something.
What are you picking at, bro?
Dude, I feed my cat like premier food, bro. She's like eats better than me.
Dude, so I do the same to Rogo. Rogo is like a fucking ball. Rogo's fat as hell, dude.
Okay. Dude, I used to be able to quote that entire movie. I really resonated with that guy. All right, Primal. What do you look like? All right, I got your personal info. I'll Google you right
No,
now.
this is a dog shot. Is anybody here a mod for Rooscase?
I'm not ever. Primal. I'm just kidding. I'm fugly. Oh, so that's why you feel like you can you trying to hurt me. Hurt people, hurt people. I'm just kidding. Yeah, great day today, guys. Absolutely great. I actually am making a TikTok about how many different white people I apparently look like. Because I swear it's a new one every year. I'm like a I think I said it before, like a standard issue white guy. Like the blueprint. They like built the like I like God was using me as a model, like a mold, and then I slipped into the and like he like dropped me. It's like oh no. My boy fell into the base model. I'm a white yeah. I'm a white person mannequin. Oh my god.
When we were at Universal and Gary would like get away from me for a second.
Oh, shut up. You can't miss me, bro. Everybody at Universal was like 5'9", just like you. It's hard to find you. Did you say tickling? I didn't, dude. What are you talking about? What did you say? Yeah, I need some butter chicken. What does TP mean? Normally toilet paper, but in this sense, it means take profit. My boy is 4'6" on a good day. Maybe if he jumps and the wind's blowing.
No, no, bro. Where's that picture?
Yeah, if they turn gravity off.
I'm gonna show you guys
Hey, please turn this.
for reference.
She's not gonna like it, but listen, if I was president, I would audit YouTube like creators. I would like not me. I would obviously because I'm not doing anything weird, but dude, some of these like show like I'm sorry if there's anybody in here whose kids watch Blippi. I don't mean this. Yeah, I know she'll walk in the other room. Yeah. She didn't end up doing it, but that dude doesn't even have kids, and he goes to kids' playhouses and plays in them for other kids. Oh, look at her. How's it going, Ellie? Ellie just casted. She's watching right now, and she just casted the TV onto my TV. And then we told her she couldn't watch something, and so she just went into her room. But now she's changing the TV, and it's still out here. She's getting frustrated.
Now, what day was it that we went to Universal?
I think it was August or something. I don't know. Oh, welcome back, Ellie. I wouldn't enter Tesla. I'd like to see. Listen, he's the modern day Pee Wee's Playhouse. No, Pee Wee's Playhouse was slightly. I think I remember they're like being kids. You know, like
Like June,
oh, okay, June. Yeah,
like end of June.
yeah. And the dead of summer, we decided that was that's time.
June 17th.
I'm pretty sure I lost like 13 gallons of water through my skin.
No, I can't find it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, June 17th.
Who's bullish on Baba? Nobody.
To basically the 21st.
So
Yeah, homie. Listen, and again, no judgment. I get it. Sometimes your kids watch it or stuff, and you're like, I don't know how I feel. Like, I'm sure if anybody's parents really sat down and watched Angry Beavers with their kids back in the day, they would have been like, hold up, wait a minute, this is not right. Ren and Stimpy. Oh my God, you know. So it's never not been a thing. Nickelodeon's a weird place anyway, but yeah, that man.
You know a man is sleeping?
My guy,
I didn't even know Crunch was on live. What
30 years old.
Monsters?
Yeah, hey, mom, that was fire. But hey, no, I'm 30, dude. Yeah, of course. I was born in
Oh
'92.
my gosh.
Dude, Hey Arnold was fire. My favorite episode is when because I always loved Helga, and she's like 236 seconds or minutes and 20 seconds until you die for like 3 weeks straight. She's shouting outside of Arnold's window.
It's the kid that
Oh yeah, Swamp Monster.
the train episode creeps me
Pee Wee's
out.
Playhouse. Oh, you know what though? That man went off. That man went off and made movies and stuff like that. I always watch SpongeBob with my son.
Yeah.
What's the stop loss on Meta? Pivot point 146.50. I honestly don't like this trade. I'm gonna be honest with you, Mr. Mouse. It was setting up well, but now the price action. Now the longer it builds, you know, the better the move. So, but here's how I'm tracking Meta. Hey Ellie, hey Ellie, hey Ellie. Yeah, Ellie's got some serious sass. I see a little ascending triangle. So listen, that guy does drugs, okay? That's how he makes those movies. You can't be that quiet and that weird, Pee Wee.
Like weird. It's from like watching
Oh, that dude,
those
that dude
movies.
does Crunch on
Hold on, who plays P?
His like bike gets stolen.
Paul Rubens. Let's look up Paul Rubens' record.
He support. Oh,
Oh, ew,
yeah.
gross. Whoa. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, this is the kids. Oh no. I mean, I guess that's yeah, but it wasn't just a movie theater. It was a different thing. Yeah, I just looked at his record. I did it. He just had like a movie come out. Oh, I got you. Yeah, Meta's feeling right here. I would like to see it fall. I'm good on Tesla right now, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert at high a day. Maybe if I can. There we go. That's good. All right, so that's it right there, guys. Would anybody like me to recap, or does anybody want me to? Anybody have? Excuse me. Any questions? $38.92. You dingus.
Did you add or did you just stay with what you initially got in?
I added. So adding above, like we talked about this morning, that build right there. Once we started kind of holding this low, it made sense to go ahead and add. Well, Ellie actually. So I added on the first pullback. Ellie added like right in here, right when it wicked back down. So I actually, and I know that sounds silly, but I was going to add anyway, and Ellie just happened to literally hit my button. Um, so I don't want that to seem like it was like a fluke, you know. Like I definitely wasn't going to hit the button right then. But luckily she got in at a good time. So yes, this was a good, and this is a good setup to reflect upon, right? What did I say this morning too? We talked about the gap down. We talked about the level that needed to be lost. I think I was saying 298, or no, it was 298.50. We wick down below that. We get a huge pop off of that. We go ahead and enter the trade. The ceiling's above us right there, 302.75. That's where we have to hold 9-day moving average. We sit there, cruise, right? Every single one of those candles closes back up on top of it. We find our wall, right? And then we find our bottom. So then we're able to kind of look at where we need to hold and where we need to push higher. And then, of course, you know, having the price targets we talked about this morning, it only made sense for me to continue to hold and to add to that trade, especially when you do you do actually have a really so what I see here with Tesla is, right, you actually have consistent volume, right? So it doesn't have to always be high. It needs to be consistent. Inconsistent volume is where you find yourself breaking into these choppy price action zones. But look at and this is actually really interesting. So if you go look at the volume right down here, and you go look at areas where you chop, you'll find that it's almost the same entry or the same volume for the same price action, right? Very rarely are we going to get like a very high volume consolidate. And if it's high volume inside of consolidation, you are going to squeeze out, right? One way or another. So Meta's still holding up here, holding that 9-day moving average. But watch Tesla here. I don't want to watch, but watch for an. It's still good for an ad as long, but you just have to. The thing that you have to do is, one, know that you're up against your top, right? That we're right there. We've been talking about this for a minute. You're kind of actually sitting. So let's go to the 15-minute. So this is actually my ceiling right here. So we've broken above it. Okay, so what's the difference here, right? Not one of these candles, except for this red one, which flushes down immediately, opens up above that 307.55, right? So now we can in 13 minutes, if this candle holds, right? Not a problem, brother. If this candle holds, then you could watch for a potential bounce. If this candle wicks down and say bounces 306.80, right? And then candle closes back up around 37.55, that still counts. And that could lead you to go and make a new high. I have right now at 312. 312.50, and that's the target to the upside. So there's certainly more upside here. But of course, this is going to require cooperation from ES. This is going to require cooperation from Apple, right? So, right, SPY, ES, whatever. But Apple, Apple looks like 150, 320. It looks hungry to go and retest something. You got good hourly candles on that one. So I imagine the market is going to continue. In fact, I've got one, but if you're in Tesla, I think that stops. So you just saw right there. I'm trying not to react to like little 5, but you have a new 5-minute candle open here. This could be a last entry if you do want to try, and I would be careful here if you already made gains. If you haven't made any gains on Tesla, please do not get attached, right, to the position. You cut, say, below the 9-day moving average here at 307. That's where you cut. The further away it gets, the worse the loss, right? So you want to get it close. If you buy now, right, and it crosses up above these wicks, right? Let's say you buy right now and it moves above 308.50 and opens a candle above where sellers were holding it down, then guess what? That's now your stop, right? That can now become your stop loss. Candles close here at 308.20. So candle close underneath that would mean sellers are still in control. We need a candle open above that in order to make a new high. So I tell you what, guys, I've actually made a bag right now. I've got a 310 that I've got left running right now, one out of the entire lot. Thanks to Ellie. So we're gonna let that thing rock. I think we get 312 at the end of the day. So you guys are more than welcome to use these areas to add. I do think it looks like based on volume, I think we continue moving higher here. As long and ES is looking like it wants to just trap the shit out of bears. The only way that I see us moving down is on ES below 38.90. So, but great day today, everybody. Hope everybody had a. If you weren't green, I hope that whatever red or is obviously you know, cooling. I hope it was within your risk. And if you did, I'm actually, so we have a gains channel, right? I've been thinking about this a lot. I'm thinking of opening up a stop loss channel because I want people to post when they cut at their stop loss because that's actually fire, right? If you cut at your stop loss and it ends up dumping, you should post that because there is a positive, a rewiring that needs to happen in our brain where we distinguish true losses from just getting stopped out, right? Or something hitting our stop loss. Is it a loss, right? Money monetarily, huh?
I really like that idea.
Yeah, because I want people to be reflective, but also, like I said, right in our brains, when we think something or we have a habit of doing something, it's like a path in the forest, right? The more you walk on it, the more worn out that trail gets, and the more likely you're going to use that trail. So if you have it in your head that it's a negative thing that you lose, right, then trading's not for you, right? It's a negative thing when you don't know how to lose, right? It's like falling off a bike. You know, there's some people who can fall off bikes all the time because they know how to fall. Skateboards, right? You learn how to tuck, shoulder, snowboarding, same thing. You learn how to fall. So in this situation, and we're going to be talking about this a lot this week, is learning how to fall, learning how to fail, is just as important as learning how to take your entries, setting targets, executing contract selection. You have to know, and one of the most important things, one of the reasons why I held Tesla, you guys heard me repeat myself. I said price action looks, but we're going to hold because whatever happens above my stop loss is none of my concern, right? My concern is that, yes, okay, maybe sometimes we see like Meta, right? Meta's just not doing it. It's just not, right? Starting from our lows right here, potentially we could see Meta pull back, right? Maybe pivot point, maybe 146 even retest. Tesla, if you guys just re-entered, you just opened a new candle. You opened a new candle here above 308. Let's see what happens. Next target is obviously 309. If you're adding, watch there. So as an extreme sport maniac, this is so true. Yeah, knowing how to fall is just important. That's probably one of the first things that I learned. Skateboarding, I didn't learn any tricks, man. I learned how to fall. So if you're starting off in training,
Like when I run my skateboard camps, that's the speech I give to every single skater.
that's hilarious. Wow, that's yeah. 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 So Hall of Meat, excuse me. Oh, learn it. I want all right, tonight. I want everybody to go play Skate 3. I need you to Fade Puncher's Life Skate 3. Is that the one where it has like combined sports? No, what's that sport where you just roll down the hill? It doesn't matter. By the way, did anybody get into Tesla right there? Did you guys notice? Did hold on really quickly. Did you guys notice that right there? Did you guys notice that when the first candle opened up above where sellers were in control? Nobody can see my hand right now, but I am talking with my hands. That thing went up immediately and hit 309. Look at that. Anybody in? Anybody just grab that? Right there. All right. So now, right, where's your stop? Right there. That's it. That's it. Now you're good. You just let it ride. If it falls back, get out of it. I still got 310s, and these things are about to go in the money.
Primal skaters now.
I skated. I have pictures of me doing. I have a picture of me doing a 360 flip. This is before phones had cameras,
Dude, I bet you would bring my kids.
Yep. I was decent enough. Yo, Ellie bought these contracts at 455 And these contracts are now worth 680. I don't know. I feel like I should take her to Target.
Are you sure you guys the SPX trade that Ellie gave me?
Oh God, go for it, dude. Here, Universal, here we come. I mean, that covers her ticket technically. I mean, she covered her own ticket. That's
Now she said y'all get y'all's crap.
yeah. She said, "Trade yourself out of this. I'm going to Universal." That was dope, though. My expiration for the Baba calls is today, and the only reason that I have Baba calls, guys, is to hedge the put that I have. That's it. All right. Don't be a dingus.
Wait. Baba expires today?
What? No. This week. Sorry. This week's expiration. You know what I meant. Manuel.
Said, damn. When the hell did Baba become SPS? That's what government name.
Wouldn't surprise me. Amanda's ass. If you're here not to trade with Ellie, I don't know what you're doing. Have faith. Oh my God. Yeah, dude.
Okay,
What'd you say?
that it's not paper, it's real money. So
Yeah.
you gotta have faith.
Yeah, I mean, I could open up Ellie's Venmo, you know. I could try. We could do $2 monthly subscription for Ellie for her predictions, morning predictions. I like it.
No, that's not the same way.
Too far. Oh shit.
Too far, huh?
Fine, we'll
You know
go.
what, huh? Just for that comment, I'm gonna time you out. Because then you say that I'm the one that has issues. There's your time out, huh? You have issues. You're
Mhm.
not the one thing. Don't lie to me. Yes, I can talk about this one.
You gonna go on my lap? Stay away from my wheel.
Because that's fair, like, I only did it for 60 seconds. I'm not gonna make it. Yeah.
Ellie, stop! I didn't know what she was doing. She has a little mic in her hand.
I'm probably gonna leave now for another.
Hey, no more. No more. Ellie, you have no idea. There is so many people you're talking to right now.
Yeah, did anybody see last night's episode of House of the Dragon? Oh, yeah, they're not equal. You guys
Missed it when it could.
All right.
I was
So is that you? Is that you, Plunger? Hey, baby. I'm gonna get off in just 1 second, okay? Who's Plunger? Plunger? No, that's not Plunger. Who's that? Oh, Alex. Alex. Sorry. I was kind of listening. Sorry, I knew it was wrong. I knew it was wrong, but it sounded interesting. Sorry, Alex. Is anybody in Tesla, dude? What the? We get this shit, dude. Oh my god. Dude, I'm telling you, bro, these contracts are going on in the money.
But you know, if it was Tesla before, they would be in the money like already.
Shut up. Manny.
No, dude, it's the truth. Admit it.
All right. I'm opening up TD Ameritrade. I'm shorting fucking plug now. I've had enough.
Bro, it has a bull flag on the daily. I sent you the screen.
In the
I sent Garrett a screenshot showing him
On the
if
counter.
one has a bull flag, he should swing it or call out a trade on it. And his response was, "Do I short it?"
Look at it today. I was right.
Get your friends.
That was
they
not
need
a
to see you,
that
bro.
is not a bull flag, dude. That is not a bull flag, dude. It's not a bull flag, buddy. It's not. It's you know what it is? It's death. Okay? Technically, I bet you in after hours. Watch this. No, it didn't.
Is this not a bull flag?
No, that is not a bull flag, my boy. I'd be willing to Beyblade duel you on that for money.
Okay, only if we play with the old Beyblades. I don't like the new
Yeah,
ones.
the new ones suck. Dude,
The
look,
new ones suck. They're all plastic. The old ones had metal in them.
Beyblade. That could be like a self-defense system that you like give your partner. Like, or a small hand knife that turns blue if your partner's in danger. I got that.
Here, what the
I got
fuck?
that. Time him out again.
Again?
What he pays? Is this what he pays the monthly for? Well, I don't really know what to say right now with Tesla. Everything is money, perfect, good hold. If you're still in money, primal. That's because you're always YOLOing and talking shit. Hold on, I'm trying to.
Berserk. I have been told to read it. I have not. I think instead of reading Berserk, I ended up starting Kaiju number 8, which is not bad. It's pretty good. Has potential.
Dude, I took that. Remember that Gap account I started on Moo and kind of like I ended up having to like focus on my actual account because I needed money. So I literally, whatever's in my savings, we don't touch that. So come at the end of the month when I pay myself, like that's my bill money. So I was trying to go ham on that one, kind of like left off. I left a position on it and I ended up like just kind of bled down. I think it was like $98 after out of that 500. It's now at 620. I just started playing with it last week though. So I think I'm gonna take some swing trades on this one. I might hook it up to the Iris account. So all right. Well, if you guys are on YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. You guys are more than welcome to check out the link in the bio if you guys are interested in hopping in the Discord, being able to interact with us a little bit more easily. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you guys are done. But not a problem. Hopefully, you guys learned, right? We were able to really watch price action this morning. We were also able to kind of reiterate and watch price action rather than panicking, learning patience and learning, obviously, but just abiding by the rules that we set for ourselves. So we got close, almost ended up having to call it quits, but great trade today. Absolutely phenomenal setup. Still in a 310 call, which I'm. You're not printing like me and he wants them to, but sorry. But they're they're moving pretty good. Right now you got 310s. She bought those. We got 455. Those contracts are worth 710 right now. So absolutely phenomenal. 2 entries here, 3 entries actually fully throughout the day. So, but great day trade. Happy with it. But see you guys later on YouTube. Peace.